Make a contribution to.
To give something such as money, time, effort, ideas, or resources toward a cause, project, or group effort. Contributions can be financial, like donating to charity, intellectual, offering ideas in a discussion, or practical, helping with work or volunteering. She made a contribution to the hospital by donating money. Financial. He made a contribution to the project by sharing his expertise. Intellectual. They made a contribution to the community by volunteering at the shelter. Practical.
Make an excuse.
To give a reason for not doing something or for doing something wrong. Sometimes, excuses are true, but other times, they are not true or just a way to avoid blame. I didn't do my homework because my dog ate it. Sorry, I can't come to the party. I have to study.
Make arrangements for.
To plan or organize something in advance to ensure that it happens smoothly. It is often used when preparing for an event, a trip, or taking care of someone's needs. We need to make arrangements for the wedding. We need to plan everything for the wedding. She made arrangements for her parents to stay in a hotel. She organized their stay. They made arrangements for transportation to the airport. They planned how to get there.
Make a change or make changes.
To do something differently or to improve a situation by altering it in some way. It can refer to small or big adjustments in life, work, habits, or situations. I want to make a change in my diet and eat healthier. I want to eat better. She made some changes to her schedule to have more free time. She adjusted her schedule. We need to make a change in our company's strategy. We need to improve our plan.
Make a choice.
To decide between two or more options. When you make a choice, you pick one thing instead of another. Have to make a choice between coffee and tea. I need to decide which one to drink. She made a choice to study abroad. She decided to study in another country. You must make a choice, stay here or leave. You need to decide.
Make a comment or make comments.
To say or write something about a topic, situation, or event. Comments can express an opinion, give feedback, or provide information. She made a comment about the weather. She said something about the weather. The teacher asked the students to make comments on the presentation. The students gave feedback. He made a comment on my new haircut. He said something about my haircut.
Make a decision.
To choose what to do after thinking about different options. It is similar to make a choice, but decision often sounds more serious or important. I need to make a decision about my job. I have to choose what to do about my job. She made a decision to move to another city. She chose to live in a new place. The company made a decision to hire more employees. They chose to add more workers.
Make an improvement.
To make something better than it was before. It can refer to skills, work, places, or situations. She made an improvement in her English speaking skills. Her English is better now. We need to make an improvement in our home by painting the walls. Painting will make the house look nicer. The company made an improvement to its customer service. The service is now better.
Make a mistake.
To do something incorrectly or to make an error. When you make a mistake, you do something that wasn't right, or you did it the wrong way. I made a mistake in the test. I answered a question wrong. He made a mistake by not following the instructions. He didn't do something the right way.
Make a phone call.
To use a phone to contact someone by dialing their number. I need to make a phone call to my friend. She made a phone call to the office to confirm her appointment.
Make progress.
To move forward or improve in some area or task. When you make progress, you're getting closer to reaching a goal or completing something successfully. She is making progress in learning English. She is improving her English skills. The project is making good progress. The project is moving forward or getting closer to completion.
Make friends.
It's easy to make friends at school. It's easy to meet new people and become friends. She made a lot of friends at summer camp. She met and became close with many people. He finds it hard to make friends in a new city. It is difficult for him to meet and connect with new people.